Cardi B, money. All you want to see was, she said, stay true to who you are. Cardi B, baby. Got her little rap snacks out. Got another bag full of rap snacks. About to try them all. About to try the Mingos. They got a new one out. Alright. Barbecuing with my honey with a dab of ranch. So now they got the Master P's son. They got his chips mixed with the dab of ranch, because those are the only two best flavors out there. Romeo honey dip with the mix with the dab of ranch. So I gotta try this. Gotta see how it tastes. And you know, we're gonna get to it with the rap snacks. QC, Quality Control Music, the best duo on the planet. We take pride in setting the tone for the culture of hip-hop. We will always remember what got us here. Hard work and dedication and teamwork. Our dreams are what inspire us. Don't stop dreaming. That's what they want you to stop. Do not stop dreaming, because you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Do not stop dreaming. Like, I was dreaming about me becoming a truck driver, and I didn't even know how to drive. Dabbing is a lifestyle. I didn't even know how to drive, and you know, y'all wanna see a look at it. It got a little bit of texture in it, you know, a little bit of cheese with a little bit of honey, barbecue. You see the little celery on it, and it tastes pretty good, you know. It's a nice little you can taste the honey coming through the cheddar. It's pretty good. You get a different taste in your mouth, unless like other chips had that same flavor. This one got a different taste. Not bad. Cardi B, keep doing your thing. Rap snacks, baby. To a hood near you. I don't know if they're gonna start bringing these like in Walmarts and stuff like that. If anybody that know, comment below. Subscribe to my channel if y'all see this in Walmart. I don't think Walmart gonna sell these yet, because they're gonna lose their business with Frito-Lays and, you know, Sun Chips and all that other thing. Well, alright. Continue with more Lamont's Rap Snacks review. That way, the American way. Independence Day.